Hi, everybody. Go ahead. Hi, everybody. Delilah's having spaghetti and what? And what else are you having, Delilah? What is that?
Yes, it's
Look,
cheese.
here's my spaghetti with my bread.
Apple.
And she's got spaghetti and strawberries. She's getting over a cold. She's fine, everybody. So anyway, aquí, I like to have peppers with mine. That's all. Y esto es lo que hay. Mhm. I didn't do the video because I just finished doing the cage, la jaula. Terminé la jaula de las gallinas. So no hice el video de cocinar because no time. Oh wow. Está bien bueno tu spaghetti. Mhm. Qué bueno es un pique de esto con espagueti. But that's what it is. Delilah's eating. Right, Mama? Can I have some? No, Mama, thank you. I love you. No, I have some. I'm kidding. Thank you. Alrighty. Say bye, everybody. Bye.